Are you struggling to write informative articles? Follow my 5 simple writing tips to success. Submitting your quality written and keyword-rich articles is certainly your first step to achieving your personal or business-related goals. However, many authors wonder why their articles are not being picked up by publishers and webmasters to be placed on their theme-related websites, and if you're willing to follow a few simple steps, you will be on your way to having a successful article writing campaign that will appeal to publishers, webmasters, and also your online readers. The truth of the matter is that many publishers and webmasters are looking for fresh, well-crafted content to place on their site that offers their readers valuable information and tips, but they don't like to accept articles for their sites that show obvious signs of self-promotion of your own business, products, or services. Selling your business in your article is just going to drive people away, and they will move on to the next article that will help them answer the questions they're seeking. Tip number 1. When readers search for a specific topic of interest, they're searching for information that answers specific questions they may have at the time. If you're not exactly sure how to format your article to flow with all the necessary information, just remember that when you start writing your articles, consider formatting your articles with the focus on the who, what, where, when, and why. When you start to develop your articles in this format, you will definitely make it easier to write your articles on specific topics that will flow naturally. Tip number 2. If you're writing about a specific topic that can help your readers, provide a brief introduction of what you're about to talk about. This way, if the reader is interested in what you have to say, they will know what direction you're going in on your specific topic. In the body of your articles, have the key information that your topic is talking about with many features followed by the benefits. The best way to achieve this is to talk first about the feature of your topic, product, or services briefly, and then follow right below your feature, a detailed benefit. Make sure you focus and write more on the benefit. At the bottom of your article, always end it with a brief conclusion. Never stop writing without having an ending. Readers will be wondering if they received the entire article or if you're missing some information. Remember, most if not everyone likes an ending. Tip number 3. In the body of your article, make emphasis on your features and benefits that you're talking about by adding bullets and also highlighting the important features and benefits. This does several things to your article. It allows your readers to quickly find the important information in your article, and if they happen to not want to read the entire article from top to bottom, they may opt to go directly to the information that they want, and you make it much easier for them to find it with bulleting and highlights. Tip number 4. If possible, when writing about a unique topic, you will add more impact and credibility to your content when you offer your readers important resources to back up your claim. You can provide a few legitimate testimonials, a list of awards that were achieved, or anything else you feel will back up what you're talking about. This is a great way to provide your readers solid proof you're the authority on this topic, and you have value for them to obtain from your information. Tip number 5. The biggest mistake many new authors make when writing their articles for e-zine directories to be picked up for distribution is creating a really weak author bio. You spend all your time and effort creating the perfect article to be submitted to the e-zine directories, and many e-zine publishers and webmasters start picking up your article and adding them to their emails and sites. However, if your author bio at the end of your article doesn't have impact, it will not motivate the reader to click through to either read more or get additional information on what you are truly offering. Make sure you spend as much time in creating the best author bio as you do when you start writing your article. Make sure that you let your readers know who you are and that you are the expert on this topic, and if you're talking about several products or services, in your author bio, if you're allowed a maximum of 3 hyperlinks to your site, blog, or email, also make sure that you take advantage of this option and add your maximum allowable links for your readers to click through and continue their journey to specific information they're interested in reading. These tips are only a guideline to your article writing success, and if you take some of the information I provide and use it that best fits your writing style, I feel that you will be on your way to being a great web author and many of your well-written articles will be picked up by publishers and webmasters hungry for freshly written content that offers a quality message to their readers.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.